back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing my Orbeez slime. So this is what it looks like. And then if you look at the bottom, there's a bunch of glittery stars. So let's get to it. So first, we are going to just go down this into the bowl. It's not that sticky. When you first put your hands in it after like 2 days, it will get like this sticky, but it's not usually that sticky. So it has a lot of Orbeez, a bunch of stars, and it's really fun to play with. This is my favorite slime. Little slime ASMR. Let's put music in the background for the whole video. So I really recommend you to try to make an Orbeez slime because it's really fun to play with, really satisfying. Because one day I